like a pole bean that can grow stronger and use the weed to its advantage. We can learn how to use our perceived failures and use the YouTube weeds to climb and grow in subscribers and hours. Cucumber seeds are small, but once they take in the ground, just like YouTube, they start to grow, and you can train them up a trellis, and they can grow and grow and grow, and before you know it, you're harvesting views and subscriptions and hours. Have a great day. Like the apple tree, when you plant it, it doesn't give you a harvest right away. Neither does YouTube. It takes work, it takes time, it takes pruning and caring and weeding. But before you know it, you'll see all of your analytics start to grow, and you'll start to harvest subscribers and views and hours. So have a great day. Did you know from 1 2-ounce potato, you can grow and harvest 2 pounds from that seed potato? Just like YouTube. You start out, you have 1 view, 2 views, and then you continue your channel, and before you know it, you look back, and that one little tiny video has now gone from 1 or 2 views to 100 views to 200 views, and up and up and up. So don't give up just because you get a few views. Give it time, keep pushing, keep working, and don't quit, and you will grow. Peace out.